Hi guys, today we're going to do a video, Chile Volcanoes Part 3. And we're going to start with Cordon del Azufre. Cordon del Azufre is a small and active complex volcanoes located in the Chile Central Andes at the border of Argentina and Chile. We can see them here. So this is a volcanic area. I don't know if there's any views in this area, so we're going to take our little stick figure guide. And we have some over here. So we'll go around this area here. So we can get a look around the area here. And wait for this to load a little bit. You see, that's the ground. So these are 3D pictures. Some of these are not going to have the greatest resolution. And this is a volcanic field out here. And moving on to the next one, dos crateres. Dos Crateres is a poorly researched volcano in Chile with two edifices. It is dated 7.9 plus or minus 0.5 million years ago. And it's within this area here. And moving on to the next one, Sierra de Gorbea. This is a large lava field in the Chilean Andes that has been dated to 4.7 plus or minus 0.5 million years ago and 5.2 plus or minus 0.5 million years ago by potassium argon dating. The lavas are dacitic to basaltic andesite with rhyolitic inclusions and no vent is evident. So you can see how huge this is and how shiny it is. And moving on to the next one, Jean de la Vega. We'll back up some. Jean de la Vega is a mar in Chile. It is located in the north central Andes. Let's do a look here. So you can see the ground here, which is kind of cool. Check this out. Here's the mar here. And moving on to the next one. Chato aislado. Chato aislado is a volcano in Chile. Chato aislado is part of the high Andes of Chile between 25 degrees and 26 degrees, 30 degrees south. The Andes there are at altitudes over 11,500 feet, feature a number of volcanoes as well as products of eruptive activity. The Salar Grande lies east of Chato aislado. Chato aislado has been proposed as a geosite location for Chile. Wow, interesting. Check this one out. And moving on to the next one, Dos Puntas. Dos Puntas is a volcano in Chile. A lava flow on the northern flank was dated at 2 million years ago. So, still looking here. I believe it's actually this one here, and this is the lava flow here. Some of the bends were a little bit off, and we'll put it in the lava flow areas. Moving on to the next one. C'est la Grande Caldera. So the Gran Caldera is a caldera in Chile. The region originally contains various rocks with ages ranging from Neoproterozoic to Triassic. Starting with the Oligocene and Central Volcanic Zone, the Central Volcanic Zone was active and gave rise to calderas, lava domes, pyroclastic cones, and stratovolcanoes. The region lies at an elevation of 11,500 feet and is largely unknown to people. Wow. Check this out. And this is this whole area here. Back up and look. I don't know if there's any views in this area, but it would be nice to see some. But it is unknown to people. And moving on to the next one, Doña Lines. Doña Lines is a volcano in Chile. It is a Miocene age stratovolcano, which is formed from lava domes that form its summit area, and newly andesite deposits which form the flanks of the volcano. And I don't think there's any views here. And moving on to the next one, Los Colorados Caldera. This is the name of a caldera in Chile. It is part of the Central Volcanic Zone of the Andes. The caldera has a diameter of 19 miles and was formed 9.8 million years ago within a basement consisting of Paleozoic rocks, Miocene ignimbrites, and older volcanoes. That is so cool looking. Okay, so I don't know. We're going to look. And then check out these walls, though. Let's get down further. Our next one is El Salvador caldera. This is a caldera in Chile. The mountains La Atina and Contreras form the southeastern margin of the caldera, while the 3,350 meter or 10,990 foot high Cerro Indio Muro Massif lies inside the caldera. Wow. Let's see here. I'm looking for dots, but I see something over here. Oh, we'll go over here. We have a dot right here. I don't know what's here, so we'll go there. Might be a mineral mine. Whee! Uh-oh. Looks like a mineral mine. We'll give it a minute to clear up. So you guys, that's a mine. So we're going to get out of there. And moving on to the next one. San Felix Volcano. Now San Felix is here. San Felix Island, 800 kilometers west of the Chilean coast, consists largely of low, cliff-bounded lava platforms separating two tuff cones. The Islada Gonzalez cone to the southwest is separated from the main island by a shallow submerged platform. Cerro Amarillo at the western end forms the high point of the island and is the source of fresh-looking Hawate lava flows that reach the sea and form the low lava platform at the southwest tip of the island. A ship captain reported a dull red glow at the summit in 1923. Willis and Washington, 1924, considered the youthful lava flows to predate discovery of the island in the 16th century, but not more than a few centuries old. However, argon dating by Haste in 2000 determined that the adjacent plateau age was 421 plus or minus 18,000 years, and considered the advanced erosion of the island as indicative of several 100,000 years of inactivity. So let's go down here so we can see the island. There's an island here somewhere. Let's see, there it is. So y'all can see the island is here, and this is San Felix volcano here. This is San Felix there. And it appears to have, looks like a runway here. And moving on to the next one, wheelwright caldera. This is a caldera in Chile. It is variously described as being between 11 kilometers, 6.8 miles, and 22 kilometers, 14 miles wide, and lies in the central volcanic zone of the Andes. A lake lies within the caldera, which is among the largest of the central Andes. The caldera lies in a region of Ojos del Salado, the world's tallest volcano. Amazing. This is El Ermitaño over here. And you guys will be back with another video. This is the end. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll be back with another part for Chile volcanoes.